Hey there, everyone. Ever found yourself in a pinch, needing money urgently, but it's a weekend? Maybe you're planning a spontaneous trip, or perhaps you just forgot to pay a bill. Whatever the reason, you might have wondered, does Zelle transfer on weekends? Well, let's dive into that question and get you the answers you need. Imagine this, you're at a restaurant, enjoying a delicious meal with friends, and when the bill comes, you realize you've left your wallet at home. Panic sets in, right? But what if there was a way to quickly get the money you need, even on a weekend? Before we answer the main question, let's talk a bit about what Zelle is. It's a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's super convenient and often used for quick transactions between friends, family, or even for splitting bills. Answering the question, does Zelle transfer on weekends? So, does Zelle transfer on weekends? The short answer is, it depends. Typically, yes, Zelle is designed to work 24/7, so you can usually send and receive money anytime, including weekends. Bank holidays, however, there are exceptions. On major bank holidays, Zelle transactions might experience delays or be temporarily unavailable. Factors affecting Zelle transfers on weekends. A few factors can influence whether your Zelle transfer goes through on a weekend. Your bank's policies. While Zelle itself is generally available 24/7, your bank may have specific rules or limitations regarding weekend transactions. The recipient's bank, similarly, the bank of the person you're sending money to, might have restrictions on weekend transfers. Technical issues. Occasionally, technical glitches or system maintenance can cause temporary disruptions to Zelle services, even on weekends. Tips for smooth weekend Zelle transfers. Here are a few tips to help ensure your Zelle transfers go smoothly on weekends. Check your bank's hours. Before sending money, verify your bank's operating hours, especially on weekends. If your bank is closed, there might be delays in processing your transaction. Confirm recipient's details. Double-check the recipient's Zelle information to avoid errors that could delay the transfer. Be patient. If you encounter issues, be patient and try again later. Technical problems can sometimes be resolved quickly. Additional considerations. While Zelle is generally a reliable and convenient way to send money, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Security. Always prioritize security when using Zelle. Avoid sharing your account details with anyone you don't know, and be cautious of phishing scams. Fees. Some banks may charge fees for Zelle transactions, so check your bank's policies before sending or receiving money. Alternatives. If you need to send money urgently and encounter issues with Zelle, consider using other payment methods, such as wire transfers or mobile payment apps. In conclusion, while Zelle generally transfers on weekends, there are a few factors that can influence its availability. By understanding your bank's policies, confirming recipient details, and being patient, you can increase the likelihood of a successful weekend transfer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.